Want to keep your YouTube searches private and refresh your recommendations? Let's dive in. First, open up your YouTube app on your phone. You'll need to tap on the magnifying glass icon. Usually located at the very top of the screen, this is where you'll find all your previous searches. Once you've tapped that, you'll see a list of your recent search queries now. Look for an option that says Clear All. It's often found near the top right of this screen. Tap on that to proceed. A confirmation prompt will likely appear asking if you're sure you want to clear your search history. To confirm, tap on the Clear All button again. This action is permanent, so make sure this is what you want. And just like that, your YouTube search history on your phone is gone. This is a great way to protect your privacy and ensure your recommended videos are tailored to your current interests. You can also manage your overall watch history. To do this, go back to the YouTube home screen, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings. From there, choose History and Privacy. On this screen, you'll see options to clear watch history and clear search history. You can tap on either of these to perform similar clearing functions for your viewing activity. Clearing both your search and watch history gives you a clean slate, allowing YouTube to provide more relevant content based on what you choose to search and watch moving forward. Take control of your YouTube experience.